Sharon Downley here with another 2-minute tip. This week it's an updated Edwardian or Gibson style updo that is so simple, fast and easy. So for this Gibson or Edwardian tuck, all I'm going to need is, my two favorite brush and comb and my fishing tackle box full of all my bobby pins. I'm not going to use many because it won't need it, but probably a good roller pin is the most important thing to have on hand. And also an elastic to put my hair into a ponytail. Now I've already gotten my extension in. Where is it? See? Well hidden. It's right there, somewhere. I've got it in that goes around from temple to temple to give me the added volume that I need so that, you can't see all kinds of holes through that little Gibson tuck at the back. So my preference today is just to have this kind of loose and not too structured. So I've left the front of my hair as is, and I will pull down some tendrils and stuff. So the first thing that I'm going to do is find my band here, bring all my hair back and put it into a ponytail. Now I'm not doing it too close, you can see, but I am going to lift it up a little bit so that when I bring it back down it falls nicely. Then I'm just creating a little part and I'm going to tuck all this hair down underneath. Bring the two ends together, but I'm going to have a look at my hair first to make sure that it's the way I like it. Close enough for me. Like I said, I don't want it too structured. So now I'm just going to bring the hair together here and place a long roller pin down in and through the ponytail holder. Now, just a little bit of futzing and pulling to give it more softness. And again, because I have very fine, thin hair, I have to work a little harder at getting a full look than most do, even with the hairpiece in. But that's fine for me for now. So now I'm going to take a look at the front of it, and I'm going to just futz and bring the hair around and around and fix, fill, pull. And that gives me a fast and a very easy look for whatever it is I need. And here's the second version of that Edwardian tuck. Only I'm going to do it just a little bit differently with actually one, maybe two roller pins. The long roller pins that you can get at Sally's that I absolutely love. Okay, so here's back down again. With the same idea, I'm just going to take it to the back very softly, and I'm going to turn it over and tuck in the ends, push it to make it smooth, take the roller pin, and let's just see. That gives a fast and an easy look. That's a different way of doing it. But again, you can have the tendrils hanging down or not, and you can make it tighter or not. But for a fast and easy updo, especially when the hot weather is coming upon us, it's another way to look very chic. You can add some hair ornaments or do whatever you want. This is also one of those hairstyles that as the day goes on or the wind blows, more tendrils will come down, and it will just add more to the relaxation. Depending on the length of your hair, you just pull whatever you want. I don't want to right now because I've got places to go, things to do, and people to see. But anyway, here's an overall look. Now it doesn't go, in a moon shape. It's more up because I've had to pull up some hair. Again, because my hair is very thin and fine, even with a weft in it, I have to treat it a little bit differently depending. Anyway, the Gibson or Edwardian tuck updated, fast, easy, and oh so chic. We'll see you next time.